Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the nervous system. We will start from the definition of nervous system. First we will define it, then we will discuss about its parts, then we will explain the types of nervous system and their functions. So let's start it with the nervous system. The system that takes information from the outside world and from the organs inside your body. It works out how to respond to that information and tell the parts of body how to react. When we talk about the parts of nervous system, it has three parts: brain, spinal cord and different nerves. So you can see here how a nerve looks like. Actually, a nerve is a fiber that carries impulses through the body. A neuron contains dendrites, axon, and cell body. The dendrites are the tree-like structures that receive signal from other neurons and sensory cells. When we talk about the cell body, it contains genetic information in the form of DNA. And the axon is the part of neuron that transmits signals to the other neurons. Here simply you can see the message is coming from the brain. It is giving the message to dendrites, then it is transmitted to cell body, and through the axon it is transmitted to the organs, and an organism is reacting according to that message. This is how the neurons communicate. Communication between two neurons. You can see here how they are communicating and how they are transmitting the message. When we talk about the types of nervous system, we have two types of nervous system: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. In the central nervous system, we have brain and spinal cord. You can clearly see in the picture there are only two parts, the brain and spinal cord. They make the central nervous system. Come towards the next type, the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is all the nerves throughout the body. Our peripheral nervous system contains thousands of nerves that lie outside the brain and spinal cord. Okay, come towards the home task. Draw the diagram of nervous system and identify central nervous system and peripheral nervous system in that diagram. Your next question is, you are supposed to define the nervous system, name its parts and their functions. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.